Hi, I received this little tabletop vacuum as a gift so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. And I love this thing. I didn't even know I needed this in my life. So it has a charging port, comes with the charging cord. It also comes with a little brush to clean it out. And this is like a little piece that you can do targeted suction. So on button is here. I want you to hear how soft the sound is. I've been using it. You can kind of hear stuff rattling around in there. And then it's got these brushes, these little brushes on the end, and the suction is here. So you can use the little brushes to kind of loosen up the crumbs that you're vacuuming up. And then suction right here. And so then this piece that I was telling you about just goes right in the middle so that you could do some targeted suction. Let me show you how it works. A really good way to show this to you is to do salt on my dark wood table. So I've got some coarse salt here, and then turning on the vacuum with the little button, and look at how nicely that vacuums up the crumbs. I love this. I actually keep this in my office because I usually work through lunch and there's crumbs on my desk. So here is the targeted suction piece that I told you about. And you can see then that you can pick up individual crumbs like this, or you could get into cracks and crevices, and then it pops right off. And yeah, I highly recommend this.